not warmed up.
I was wondering how to get that off the trailer.
That third ramp.
Yeah. Hey, check this out. We're at Austin Speed Shop, and tonight it's not hot rods, but we're looking at International Harvesters. This is the 3rd anniversary of the International Get-Together here in Austin. They always host here at Austin Speed Shop. So I figured I'd show you guys something a little different besides hot rods, because we have Lone Star Roundup tomorrow. But hope you guys enjoy these Internationals. I had a great time. They said there was going to be tractors, so I showed up. Tractors are lowriders. You can get me to come to your show. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a great time looking at some Internationals, hanging out with some friends, and eating some crawfish. Right back. Good. Watch out. That power steering sucks, doesn't it? Huh? That power steering sucks, doesn't it? Oh, yeah. What power steering? They had to get the littlest guy to drive it. Yeah. They're trying to get you to bulk up. I was wondering how to get that off the trailer.
That third ramp.
Yeah.
I knew I was forgetting something.
It made for good video.
I think they want me over there by the table.
Oh, we gotta move them over. I gotta move them over anyway. Just right there.
What you got?
No tacos today, but we got a tractor seat.
Tractor seat.
We got some noses for a tractor, some
Nice.
415.
Nice. I remember seeing you on Sanford and Son back in the day.
Yeah, that was me.
Nice hat.
I
Look at that
got
hat.
it.
That's pretty.
I took it off a homeless guy.
So are you just throwing this junk in the back of this guy's truck? You don't even know him? You're just getting rid of it? I see you brought the hot rod tonight.
Brought it.
Yeah.
Yep, it made it here.
Made it here.
We
Did you
don't
drive it
know
all the way
if
up from Houston?
I did.
Nice.
I
No
did.
trailers, no nothing, huh?
No trailers this time.
Nice.
Yep. We're
Awesome.
about, like an inch or so off the ground.
Awesome.
We brought a little bit of asphalt with us through.
So you brought Houston to Austin
We did.
by way of asphalt.
We sure did. Yep, exactly.
So what year is this thing?
It's a 66. It's a 1000A. I don't know.
66 1008,
It's a
whatever that
pickup.
means, right?
Yeah,
It's
it's
pickup.
a half-ton, two-wheel drive.
I just showed up because that guy brought that tractor.
Yeah,
That's the whole reason.
That's the absolute
Wait
only
till you see the
reason.
video.
Not because of you,
Yeah,
but because of that.
Yeah. Wait till you see the video of him dropping the front end off the trailer.
Oh shit.
Yeah, yeah, it's pretty good.
All right, well, that's cool.
That's what I was
I was wondering how to get that off the trailer.
that third ramp.
Yeah.